before we can give you a tour, we gotta have our morning breakfast on our little urban balcony. Morning.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, you want to give a tour?
No, not really. I'll have you give a tour.
Okay, perfect. You can hold the camera. Hey guys, I want to give you a quick tour of our new place together. I'll start with the bathroom. So this is our bathroom with a fancy hot water heater.
It doesn't look too big, but compared to what's around here, it's pretty big. Most of the ones have like the shower mounted here, so you have to like straddle the toilet to use a shower. So this has its own dedicated space.
Yeah, the shower is actually pretty funny because it's got a little bit of a leak.
Just a little bit, no big deal.
That's fine. It's great. All right, and then over here is our closet. Perfect for what we need. Great place to hang stuff and just get it out of the way. Got ourselves a little mini fridge stocked with some fun stuff. Not too much right now.
It's mostly alcohol just because we don't like paying the full price at restaurants.
Right here we got a desk. Something that I was really excited about was this hot water heater, just because we can have our coffee and like have a cup of noodles, which is really cheap. And I got a nice little TV. It's kind of funny. There's only one channel and it loops kind of like the same movies over and over.
But it's in English.
It's in English, so that's kind of nice. Nice little lock box over here. Here's our cute little bed.
The desk chair has now become our nightstand.
Yup. We got a cute little artwork up here of some elephants. Super cute. Alright, let's go out to our little balcony.
That's the main selling point of the apartment, though.
Our AC.
Yeah.
It's sweet.
It's sweet.
It's super sweet. Alright, and we go outside. So we got a nice little drying rack, got a cute little table. This we don't really ever use because smoking is bad for you. So don't do it. And yeah, just a cute little balcony. View isn't like incredible, but that's kind of why we wanted it. It hit everything that we needed and more. It's in like an incredible location, and so the view, even though kind of funny, it's still perfect, and I think it's everything we wanted.
It's about like a 45-second walk to the beach.
Yeah, the beach is like just right over there, and then my work is just right over there, about 4 or 5 minute walk.
You're not working, you're a tourist.
I'm a tourist. I don't work. But yeah, so that's our cute little home together.
So we looked at a bunch of different places, and this definitely isn't the prettiest and stuff because all those bungalows are really cool.
Yeah.
But we don't have a scooter, so it's all about location. And this one's like right smack dab in the middle of everything we need.
Yeah, and it might have been cheaper to get one of those bungalows.
But there's no AC.
There's no AC, and you'd have to take into account the expense of a bike and having to pay for the gas and renting it, however much that costs. So I think financial-wise, this was a smart choice as well, just because we're super close to everything, super cheap food everywhere.
So the bill is, let's see. So this place, another good thing is everything is included. Lots of apartments get paid the water separate and electricity separate and the Wi-Fi separate. But this one, it kind of doubles as like an Airbnb, so they do daily rates as well. But we got the monthly rate for this, and it includes all the electricity, all the water and stuff. And it's 12,000 baht, which as of today, 12,000 baht is $384 a month, which isn't too bad.
No, that's, I feel like, a really good price.
Yeah, I paid a $30 security deposit. That's about it. So we'll be here for at least a month. I guess we'll be on the island longer than that. So we'll see how we like it, because we might end up getting like one of those bungalows for like a week or two just for fun.
Yeah, just check out the island, maybe get something on the other side just to see something different. But for right now, with all the stuff that we have going on, this just kind of made the most sense.
And the Wi-Fi is pretty good.
Wi-Fi is awesome, so we don't have to like walk down to like the shop to upload videos.
Yeah, I do have to sometimes go out in the hallway and unplug the router and plug it back in because the Wi-Fi goes down. But that happens to everyone's Wi-Fi. But yeah, this is a little humble abode in Koh Tao, Thailand. $385 a month. Living cheap. Hopefully our monthly, I'll be keeping track of our monthly expenditures this month. Hopefully we'll keep it under, I don't know, at least $6,800 US this month maybe?
Maybe, which I feel like is regular rent.
Somewhere else? Yeah, that
Somewhere else, like in
Boy,
Utah.
that'd be how much I'd be paying in my van for gasoline in a month.
Yeah, so I think we're living it frugally, even though we are spending money, we're still making it work for us.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think it's great.
Yeah, I did the math when we were in our van, and it is close to $100 a day if I include all the things like car insurance, gas,
Yep.
all our food, camping sites if we camp and stuff. It adds up pretty quick, and this is actually cheaper than living in a van for us.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we don't have any like revolving costs like no more phone bills anymore, no more car insurance, that kind of stuff. We don't have to pay anymore, which is really making our bottom line very low, which is awesome.
Yeah, literally all that we're paying for is our food and water and just the living.
Yeah.
Everything else doesn't matter out here. Look at, where's the ocean?